The dog is a loyal companion. Hello viewers, how are you? Welcome to the English Quizly channel, your go-to destination for exciting English grammar quizzes. Today we are going to see how good is your English grammar. Answer these fun questions to find out. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to play more fun quizzes. Alright, let's play the quiz. The teacher gave the students an assignment. The doctor prescribed the patient a new medication. The artist painted a beautiful painting. The scientist made an important discovery. The student wrote a creative story. The chef cooked a delicious meal. The architect designed a modern building. The musician played a beautiful melody. The athlete won a gold medal. The traveler visited a new country. The writer wrote a best-selling novel. The doctor treated a sick patient. The teacher educated the students. The parent raised a happy child. The manager led a successful team. The scientist studied the universe and all its contents. The historian wrote about past events. The artist created a unique work of art. The athlete broke a new world record. The bird flew over the house. I love to eat chocolate. The children is in the park. I have a new dress. The dog is barking. The sun is shining. I went to the store yesterday. I want to read a book. The boy is swimming in the pool. The man is playing the guitar. I saw a squirrel in the tree. The woman is eating a sandwich. The dog is running down the street. I want to go to the beach. The sky is raining. The plane is flying in the air. The fish is swimming in the ocean. The dog is barking at the cat. The moon is shining brightly. The artist was very creative. The interior of the house is very spacious. The scientist studied the experiment. The painter was very artistic. The athlete ran the race. The trunk of the tree is very strong. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it, share it, and post your marks in the comment section. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any new video.